How to get your old account back in the FC mobile. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get your old account back in the FC mobile. So when you go on the Google Play Store and try to install or update the FC mobile, but you don't remember your old account anymore, but you have linked your account with Google account or Facebook, then it's easy to open your FC mobile game account now. For that, what you need to do is choose your preferred browser. I choose Google Chrome for that. On the top search bar, I just search for apps EA Sports FC. When you do that, you will see a website like this. Just tap on there and go on the homepage of FC. Now scroll down and down. On the top left side, you will see three vertical lines. Tap right there. Here you will see many options right here. Just go to the what option, which is the help option, and from here what you need to do is tap on EA help answer HQ. So it gives an answer and question where you can also submit your problem and also some screenshots of your problem, and the EA will be able to just log in. EA will just able to see your problems after you provide certain details of your account, and your account will be submitted and then the problem might be solved. The next option is to open your Facebook and see all the passwords of the on and see all the saved passwords of your FC account. For that, just go on the settings and go on the Google. Now to see all the saved passwords that you have linked on your Google account. If you have made your FC account from the Google, you can see the passwords from the password manager. You just need to remember your account there. Just go back to the home page. Now scroll down and down up until you see the very option of password manager. So after you go on the Google and see the very option of password manager right here, just tap on manage your account, see the password manager options, and after you go to the security option and scroll down here, you will see the passwords and all the passwords that you have selected here. So you can just go on manage your passwords and see all the passwords that you have saved on your Google account. And here you have also the password of your FC mobile also. So yes, that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below.